Hello, my name is Carla Sagastume, and we are going to talk about the top 5 tips for an effective parent-teacher communication. Tip 1. Establish a relationship. The foundation of any relationship is trust, and teachers need to ensure that the parents trust them to look after and educate their kids. It starts by establishing a rapport immediately when the teacher is assigned the class. Once the ice is broken initially, a more advanced interaction can follow. Parents must be aware that the teachers have the students' best interest in mind when communicating their progress. Tip 2. Be consistent. Consistency is key to the success of any effort, and the same goes for parent-teacher communication. Wondering how to communicate with parents as a teacher on a regular basis? The answer lies in planning. Charting out a communication plan with a set of frequency will ensure consistent engagement with parents. For example, designing a daily or weekly schedule allotted each day for parent update will allow teachers to maintain trust while monitoring the student's performance more closely. Furthermore, a routine can also help parents get adapted to the same, enabling a more pleasant experience. Tip 3. Empathize at all times. Each individual has their own personal battle they are fighting, be it career or family wise. Therefore, the key to effective communication is to show empathy. Teachers need to be aware of this when passing on their pupils' progress to parents. More importantly, they should focus on the wondering of their messages and ensure a positive tone is maintained. The parent-teacher meeting message serves as a glimpse into the school life of their kids. Personalize interactions. Each student is unique in their abilities. They require different kinds of attention for their academic and personal development. This should reflect in parent-teacher communication as well. Strategies that work for one child might not always be the ideal option for another. Tailoring the content of parent-teacher interaction is therefore quite important. Personalization also includes getting to know each student well, their needs, the things they like and dislike, all the aspects involved in each student's life. Tip 5. Encourage engagement. Most parents will be a tad reluctant to be involved in their child's school life as they might feel they are encroaching on the teacher's domain. This is, however, not conducive to development, and the mindset does require a change. Teachers should encourage more engagement and welcome parents to be more involved in their kids' school life. Organizing regular in-person meetings along with involving them in activities outside class will make parent-teacher communication more effective. Thanks for your attention.